Hi, this is Isaac Hickerson with Hudson Incorporated. So today's video, I wanted to share with you some new things that you might be seeing in your app. To be able to see some of these, you're going to want to be running a Gen 4 with software version 20-3 or newer. So if you're running that, the location of your equipment will update every 5 seconds in the app. The as-applied maps, so harvest maps, planting maps, spraying maps, those will update every 30 seconds, so you'll be able to see new pieces of that map appear within the mobile app. As you can see here on these two pieces of equipment, they are actively telling me where they are in the field. The combine has the play button, so it's actively working. The tractor there is in pause, so it is idling at the moment. If it starts to move again and working, that will resume back as a play button there. And you can see that it's telling me how many acres per hour at this moment my combine is doing. So some more things that I can see, if I zoom in here and I click on this combine, I got the map, let me try that again. Okay, there we go. So now I'm clicked on the combine. I see the points that it's dropped as it's been traveling through the field, where it's been in the field today. So if I swipe up, same thing as always here with my engine hours, separator hours, fuel level, def level. I've always been able to see that. So now here I'm seeing some of my utilization information. I've been working 2 hours, 19 minutes today, transport mode for 57 minutes, and I've been idling for 1 hour and 12 minutes out of the total 4.5 hours that this combine's been working today. I can see equipment performance, some things with some fuel here, as well as my engine load while I was working and transport, the percentage of time there. So if I wanted to see something else, I could come over here to right now. I can see my miles per hour there. I can see some harvest settings. Now you see here, this adjust harvest settings is grayed out. So if that was not grayed out, I could click on it, adjust some fan speed, some sieves, shafter, rotor, things like that, and then send that to the combine. If the operator accepted it, those changes will be input into the display. So obviously I'm missing out on something here. So if I hit my information button, I'm not meeting one of these requirements. We'll just read through these real quick. So I need to have a my year 18 or newer S series, a my year 21 X series or newer. I need to have an active account in Op Center. I need to have the latest version of my mobile application. JD-Link connectivity, a 3000 or 6000 receiver, a 4600 display, or if I've got a command center display, I need to have the latest software bundle, premium activation, latest version of machine performance application. So I'm missing one of those requirements here, but if I was not, I would be able to click that, like I said, make those adjustments, send it to the combine, and then the operator would have to accept them. So I can see my yield, my moisture, my productivity, some more equipment performance information here, def, fuel information, things like that. So if I drop this down, and now this time I'm going to actually click on my field boundary inside of it to see some information on the field itself, how the map's looking there. So if I swipe up, you're going to notice now this is something else new. This is why having boundaries in our Op Center account is important. Now they're letting me see how long it's going to take me to finish this field. So this is based on the speed that the operator's running, the speed that he's been running prior to this, the boundaried acres, how much he's done, how much he has left. So it calculates using all that information and gives me an idea of when it's going to be done. This is pretty accurate. I watched a customer the other day, said he would be done at 4:02. Sent him a text message. He texted me back at 3:55. He was wrapped up with the field. So pretty accurate from that one example here. As I continue to scroll down, I see more work totals. I see my moisture reading at my highest and lowest reading, some information about my varieties, and some information about my performance here. So if you have everything up to date and like it should be on the app, you're going to be able to experience those things within the field.